Welcome to the Innova Covid-19 Antigen Test. Before undertaking your test, clear, clean and dry a flat surface to place the test kit on. Once complete, wash your hands. The accuracy of the test relies on a sterile test environment. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and warm water or hand sanitizer. The Innova kit should contain extraction swabs inside their own individual sealed wrappers, extraction solution bottles, extraction tube with cap collector, instructions, and antigen test cartridge. Please ensure you read the instructions before use. Before starting, take the extraction solution bottle and check the expiration date. Do not use if the bottle is out of date. Remove extraction swab from pack and check it is not damaged or contaminated. The opening for the wrapper is identified by the blue open arrow. Remove the extraction tube and place it onto the side of a cup. Check the antigen test cartridge. Ensure it has not exceeded the expiration date. Tear open the packet and remove the cartridge. Unscrew the extraction solution bottle. Add 6 drops of the solution into extraction tube. Replace cap and peel open the extraction swab. Be careful not to touch the head of the swab with your finger or any other surfaces. Insert the swab into the nostril. The swab tip should be inserted approximately 1 inch from the edge of the nostril. Rotate the swab 5 times inside the nostril. Repeat the process in the other nostril and be sure that you swab both nostrils thoroughly. After the sample has been collected, fully immerse the swab into the extraction solution and rotate it around for a minimum of 10 seconds. As you remove the swab, squeeze the tip through the extraction tube to remove as much liquid as possible. Press the cap collector into the extraction tube. Add 2 drops into the sample well of the test cartridge. Make sure drops are added to the sample well and not the result field. Set an alarm for 20 minutes. Sample results may only be read after 20 minutes. While you're waiting, why not visit our website at rbhealthandsafety.co.uk and see what other wonderful products and services we have to offer. Test results will show between 20 and 30 minutes. Do not read test results after 30 minutes. If only the control line, the C line, appears, then the result is negative. If 2 horizontal lines appear in both the C and T regions, then the result is positive. Even if the T line is faint, it should still be interpreted as a positive result. The control line indicates a valid result and should always be present. If it isn't, then the test is invalid. You will need to repeat the test with a new cartridge. Thanks for watching.